Hey everyone, welcome to our second Pacifier clip tutorial. Our first tutorial, which was our own design, was loved by so many of you. We thought it would be nice to share some more options so you can decide what works best for you. And so, here's our Pacifier clip tutorial number 2. Before we begin, I'm going to walk you through the supplies that you will need. To start, we have our silver round metal pacifier clip. We offer a wide variety of styles and colors available on our website, so visit carasupply.com to view all the options available for you. Of course, we will also need some beads. Again, we have a lot of options available to choose from, but for this clip, we've chosen 11 15mm round beads. This is always the fun and sometimes difficult part, picking out the color design you'd like to go with. Today we've chosen jade, ivory, and fawn. Next, you'll need cording. Paracord is just recently new to our shop and we are loving it. It's super popular in our shop and provides lots of extra strength and has a beautiful texture. Then of course, we'll need a few tools. Scissor, lighter, and a disassembled paper clip. We've taken a paper clip, smoothed it out, and then folded it in half. I'll explain what this is useful for later. Now that we're all set, let's get creating. Step 1, we are going to take out our paracord. I've measured 22 inches of cord. The length will vary depending on how many beads you use, but for this clip, which we use 10 beads, this is a great length. We are then going to take the two ends and fuse them together. Grab your lighter, take both ends, and begin melting them together really well. You want them to start looking totally melted. It'll bubble a bit and start turning a little gooey, as you can see here. Then immediately we're going to push both ends into each other. You want to do this as quickly as possible, as you don't want one end to start getting a little hard. Once it's looking somewhat fused together and it's cooled down a little, go ahead and rub it together a bit to smooth the fused area. Be careful not to burn yourself. I'm then going to take out the lighter again and just lightly run the flame over the fused area, then smoothing and rubbing the fusion until I feel pretty confident that it's well fused. Now, I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes to really harden. Basically, the nylon is becoming hard plastic once it's fused properly. After allowing the cord to harden, I'm going to test the strength of the cord. I'm just going to give it a really good pull. As you can see, I'm putting all of my strength into it and I feel pretty confident that it's fused properly. Later, when I begin to string the beads, you'll see that the fuse will be hidden under a bead, so it won't be accessible at all. When you're confident with the strength of the cord, we can move on to the next step. Take the cord and clip and loop the cord through the clip, making sure that the fused area is placed closer to the clip and not towards the end, as you will want your beads to cover it. Next, you're going to make another knot right up against the clip. This isn't totally necessary as beads will be pushed right up against the clip anyways, but extra knots never hurt. Now this is where we take out our disassembled paper clip. It's going to act almost like a threading needle. So take the paper clip, loop your string through, and start threading your beads in the order you've designed. And here we have it. All the beads are threaded onto the cord. As you can see, there's some excess string left at the end. Create a knot tightly up against the last bead, pull it super tight. And that's that. There's your completed pacifier clip. All that's left to do is attach your favorite pacifier or teether. We have loads of options here in our shop, but for this clip, I'm going to attach a bibs pacifier. They are super popular and so cute. I hope you guys loved this tutorial and found it helpful. All the products we use in this tutorial are available on our website, carasupply.com, so if you'd like to create your own, we've got you covered. As well, we'd love it if you guys followed us on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on all things jewelry and crafting. Also, when you create your own designs, tag us. We'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching.